Hello, I'm William Vinson. Go.yeswilliam.com. That's for the training on becoming a marketer on the internet. Now, see, there's been difficulties in being able to go from building pages, and people just need a little instruction. And today I'm figuring I'll make a video on how to copy one page to another, or from one page to another, because I'm fixing to do it. And my question today was how to add Amazon affiliate products to WooCommerce on my WordPress blog. So in order to do this, I'm going to have to open the page up. I went to ask.com, asked the question, the same thing you do on Google, and it opened up into a page. This is the page here, how to add Amazon affiliate products to WooCommerce. Now, I also have my WordPress blog opened up to add a product, and I have my Amazon affiliate page open too. So I can go through the training and move from window to window to be able to keep track of where I'm at. So first, if you're not an Amazon affiliate, this one has a place for you to click to go sign up to be an Amazon affiliate also. Also with WordPress, if you don't have a WordPress site. And on the site, there's a little thing here on the side to gather themes, and you'll learn all about themes when you start learning about WordPress. But so if you hadn't got it, and I can't, you'll have to go, this is mythemeshop.com. I think that's all that's up there. Bad, and it's got the question on it, so I'll put the link in my description so that you can come here so that you can get your Amazon affiliate, and you can get WordPress too and get started on WordPress. WordPress is mostly a blog, but you work a blog to gain popularity or an audience, if you want to call it that, and you put your store in there so people do, it's a one-stop shop, kind of like Walmart. So we're going to try this. So WooCommerce plugin installation guide. And in case you hadn't got, you're going to evidently be new to WooCommerce. Let me go back to my dashboard and let me show you how to do all of this. I wouldn't have been able to do anything anyway. I wasn't signed in. Never know when I might can get signed in. And see, it says to come over here to your plugins. Now my theme colors are red and gray. Kind of reminds me of my school colors, but it wasn't a reason for it. I just started picking these colors straight up, red and gray and orange. But you'll be able to do that when you set up your WordPress site. But you go down here to to plugins. Anyway, we'll come over to plugins, add new. And you got your WordPress site up, you come over to plugins, add new. I'll edit out these slow times, waiting on internet and connections and stuff. If it takes too long anyway. Okay, now come back to it, add new plugin, we got that part. So we're going to install and activate WooCommerce plugin. That's the purple one here. Now you come over here to search plugins and you go WooCommerce. Now it comes up. Now WooCommerce is already in my plugins. I'll show you. So you don't think WooCommerce, abandoned cart, WooCommerce, and you'll end up having to get all these too before it's over with. all the WooCommerce things, but one we're going to work it with right now is WooCommerce, which is this one here. Now mine's already activated, so if you get there, you're going to have to activate. How to add Amazon affiliate products to WooCommerce. We hope you're ready for your WordPress website and install the WooCommerce WooCommerce plugin is directed above. So we go to Amazon, which is this one, to our Amazon affiliate. Now a while ago, you had, during the course of this, you should have set up an Amazon affiliate store too. So we go to Amazon Associate, sign into your associates, and then search products. Guess I probably better back up some, huh? Search for products. Now I'm going to look for wireless. Let's iPhone earbuds. Go. Okay, now we go to back to the how-to. It says choose a product. Get your link. Choose our product. Now we want the latest one, Apple AirPods with charging case. So we get our link. Okay, I must be a little dumber than most because it took me a little while to figure it out. I cut off the recording while I was figuring it out. But I did figure it out, and I'm going to show you now. Because I went to a different how-to because I couldn't figure that one out. But you see, this how-to makes it a little simpler to understand. It's WordPressBeginning.com. And it didn't show you to get to links and to sign up for associate and all that, but don't really need to do that. If you're looking to build an Amazon site on your WordPress, you already got both of those things. It's just installing the products. But if you don't, you know how to do that anyway from the beginning of the video. Anyway, you come to WooCommerce. The other one we went to is here to add a product right there, but we're going to do it from here, and it says add new product here. And we got to wait on the thing, because the internet is fancy as everything is. Here we got the same page we were on a while ago, just from a different direction. I got there this time. And we're going to look for something like, let's go over to this one because see, it's got the banner stripe thing up here. And we're going to go in here and we're going to look for MacBook Pro. We don't need a charger, we need the computer. And computers. Because I'm going to put this site on here now. Well, if we can find it, I'm going to. It's only chargers. Let's go under computers then. Computers, laptops. I saw one the other day I want to check out. They got a Google computer now. Apple. Should have looked at Apple to start with. Apple. MacBook Pro. For 300. That one's only got 4 gigabytes of RAM. We're looking for 16 gigabytes of RAM. Let's see if we can get that in the filters too. No. cut out some of the stuff. New 13, Pro 8, 816. Okay, we're going to do this. Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch touch bar with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Here we're going to take our title. Let's take that, our title, whatever. We're going to take it and we're going to go over here to the product name. It takes it a minute. It's kind of like it faded out. Okay, now we're going to come over here to description. We're going to pick that. Look, you can get them with a gigabyte and 512 too. How about that? Okay. I'll tell you what, before we do that, I'm going to switch it to 512 straight up. And let's just see what kind of description there is different. We're going to have to go here and redo that. I'll tell you what, let's go to custom reviews. Well, it doesn't pick that up, does it? And give stars or anything. Okay, let's take this one out. Put this one in. Now we're going to go to the description. Need to close that window down. And because they're going to be coming back, we don't have to have silver in there, or space gray either for that matter. Put that down here in this box too. Now, we're going to get us an image. Well, first let's get us a link. The text link. I'm going to put that. Let's go up here to product. We're going to do external. Then we put it here, not down there. We'll leave the byproduct alone. That's what the directions said. That way it takes them straight to Amazon. And we need an image now. So let's get us an image. There's just an image. That's an image too. I wonder if it, yeah, that's an image too. So let's do that one. Then we go back to here. We got add product gallery images, upload files. We'll drag it over into there. Add to gallery. See, then it puts it down here. We're going to get another image. We're going to get the straight on image. We're going to put it here on the desktop. We're going to go over here. We're going to add another image. And we're going to put it there. And it's going to add that image too. Add to gallery. See, now we got two of them. Now let's see what the third one looked like. That was just a side view. I'm going to take these off the top. We don't need them anymore. We're going to take this image over there. Now we're going to go back here. We're going to add again, image again. Upload. Add to gallery. Now we got three different images. We got our descriptions. We got our link. We got the title. All we need to do now is, a keyword. Let's go find us a keyword. Where does it go? Mac. Oh, can't spell memory, can I? Okay, now let's go up here to publish. Now to check it all out, we're going to go over to find our search products. Well, the images didn't come up, but the rest of it's here, huh? I'll have to go back and edit that. But anyway, if you know what you're looking for, anyway, you can find it in there, and just got to get enough of the products that everybody's going to be getting. And got too many windows open, don't I? Let's see what we got to do about getting the images right. Set product image. Let's set that one. Okay, now let's refresh. Let's go back over here to where we were. Refresh. Well, it's still not there. Well, it's not showing it. Well, it is showing too. It's just not showing up there. See, now we got the images here. Why it's not coming up there where it's supposed to be is the problem. Okay, well, I'll figure that out. But at least now we got the products in the, we'll go to earbuds. Let's go to wireless earbuds. Search for them. Well, the images didn't show up there either, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. But everything else, let's see if, and the PayPal credit, you can get it any way you want, PayPal credit. And if you push buy product, where do we go then? To Amazon.com. What do you know? So, now that I've figured this out, and I hope you figured it out with me, and we'll be good. Okay, if you liked this video, hit the thumb. If you want to see more, ring the bell and subscribe too, because I guess that's the first thing you got to do to see more. Subscribe, then ring the bell. This has been fun, hasn't it? Figuring out how these things work. Y'all have a great day.